I want to share something which is so bloody strange, man. You know, I don't know if you can relate to this, but I'll just share it with you. You know, I work as a freelancer and I get money. Okay. So what I tend to do is I keep money in different accounts and piggy banks and all that. And once a month or once in 2 months, I withdraw from those multiple accounts. And me and my wife, we sit together and we count. Okay, how much money is there total? Fine. Then I ask my wife, okay, you give me your proposal on what to allocate the money for what. So we have different, you would say like piggy banks, okay, mini banks or whatever. One is for my daughter, okay, education and future. One is for my wife. One is for me, my pocket money, okay. One is for the house, water, electricity. One is for the lawyer. One is for the business expense. One is for the accountant. One is for salaries or whatever. Then we have saving money to build a house. That's our future dream. Okay. Then what else? We have okay, food. You know, day-to-day expenses. So like this, we have many. Obviously, the most important first is the lawyer's fees, the business, the expenses, water, electricity, food. That is first. That has to be filled up first. Then after that comes, you know, there are smaller things. And me, my wife and my baby, we take the last bits of it. Now here's the funny thing. You know, you work your ass off for every single day. I work my ass off. Okay, every single day. I really work hard. Maybe it'll not show, but I work hard. Just like you, I work hard. Okay, we are all in the same boat. You know this bullshit courses. Oh, earn 7-figure income. Take this course. Oh, how I make 7-figure income in 7 days. Oh, fucking bullshit, yeah. How I became a millionaire. I was sleeping on the streets. Today I'm a multi-million-dollar coach. All shit. There's no course, there's no book that will make you a millionaire. The only millionaire is you will pay money to this guy, he'll be rich. Everything is hard work. Everything is time. It takes years. You can't be a doctor within a day. You can't get a PhD in a day. You can't be an engineer. How you can be a businessman in one coaching session? Even personal branding. When I get my clients, I tell them, we're going to work hard. Are you ready? I'll show you the right way without making mistakes. That will save you a couple of years. But it's not going to be like, paid me money today, tomorrow. Okay. So I work hard. Clients, videos, creativity, reading, learning, studying. Okay. Now, I allocated all the money. In the end, there was nothing. Just imagine, you worked for days and nights and collected the money. Money came. You allocated all the funds. Okay, for next month, for 2 months or whatever. Money gone, finish. And now you sit again. And I was sitting, after I allocated all that, I was just sitting, my wife was lying down and checking online Shopee. Baby was sleeping in the other room. She just wanted a break. And I was sitting and just doing creative thinking. It's like, wow, where the fuck the money went here? What the fuck is all this? We work day and night. Where the hell the money goes? Yes. I sometimes wonder, like, no matter how hard we guys work, money just goes, man. Yeah, we can have our savings, and some people will have 1 million in the bank, and some people will have 10 million, and fine. But to make money is so hard. To blow money is so fucking easy, no? That is why, when people talk cryptocurrency, I made this much, I made that much, who are you trying to fool, man? Okay, you can get lucky once. Every single day, can you get lucky? Every single day, can you make money? Every single hour, day after day after day after day. Can you make money? Why you think these cryptocurrency guys all are silent? Yeah, when you are making money, yeah, billion, million, billion, trillion, zillion. Now stagnated, now finished, quiet. We are living in a day and age today where everyone is bullshitting with everybody else. I made 7-figure income, 6-figure income, I'll 10x your income, how you can live your life of your dream. Oh, I'll coach you to achieve this and that, and pay me the money, 3 free videos. And when people will learn? If making money was so easy, you don't think I want to make easy money? I was telling my wife, what's the use of all this? Day and night we work like dogs. Day and night. I told my wife, if I was not there, you'd be working in some farm, maybe 12 hours in the sun, and you'd get 100 baht or 150 baht, full day in the sun. You go home, you'll buy vegetables or something for 50, 60 baht. You'll have another 60 baht left, 20 baht here and there, and you'll keep 10 baht, which is hardly 30 baht, maybe $1 you'll save. I said, your life would be fucked. And then you have a baby also. I said, today, luckily she has a father like me, and luckily I have certain skills that help me make money. The talent and the skill and the creativity that I've honed for these 30 years today is coming to fruition. I said, that's why you have a good life. That's why this baby has a good life. That's why we can buy what we want to eat, drink. I can do what I'm passionate about, these videos. Otherwise, just imagine normal people struggling day and night, going to the office, to a boss they don't like, a job they don't like, a career they didn't want, because there was nobody to guide them. Just study, go into the world. No real awareness or guidance. What is there? And then we become these industrial fucking machines, like robots. They call it rat race. No, get up. Okay, travel, go to work, come back, travel, go to sleep. Get up, travel, go to work. Okay, then come back, travel, go to sleep. 6 days a week we are doing that only. And then your whole youth passes by. All your dreams, all your ambitions, all your goals. Oh, I'll become a millionaire, I'll become astronaut, I'll become politician, I'll become Olympic, this thing. I'll become James Bond, Superman. Very soon you become a normal guy, pot belly, 2 kids. Now you have to pay this, you have to pay that. Having a kid is like having a fucking Rolls Royce, man. So expensive. Sometimes I wonder why we have kids also. Seriously, why the fuck do we have kids? Oh, he will take my name forward. Forward to what? You're fucking dead. Who the fuck cares? Oh, he'll be there for me when I'm old. Fucking today's children dump your ass in some old age home and go. In fact, how do you know your child will live or die? How do you know your child will even get a job? How do you know if your child will even be able to take care of themselves? So many children are living under their parents' house and taking money from the parents. What do you do then? We all assume. And if you have a daughter, gets married, goes off. Now she has a new sausage to take care of. Her life is dedicated to that man. Can't take care of you. Have to take care of new sausage and then 2-3 babies. You're forgotten. Sometimes children turn around and say, what grade did you do? You did your job. You did your duty. Money comes, money goes. What the fuck, yeah? Our whole lives are spent. People say, oh, money is not everything. Oh, God is everything. Oh, praise the Lord. In fact, even in the Christian prayer, it says, give us this day our daily bread. It means every day give us. And this comes only with this. In fact, the church priest will tell you, God can give you everything. But then he'll ask you, give money, put money for God. God can't manufacture money, but he can make the universe. He needs money. Like George Carlin said, he can do everything. Heaven, hell, murder, this, that. But he needs your money. Muslims say, no, Allah is everything. Yeah, then why don't you spend the whole day in Mecca, Medina? No, you have to work. Yeah, you have to work. Money. Even to go to Mecca, Medina, you need money. It's not cheap. Hindu gods. Vijay Mallya made statues of gold bars. God gets a lot of money. Fuck. They will, it's so funny, they will throw milk which you can drink, but they will drink urine. Food they will throw through the rats, cows, and they will put cow dung and eat. See, I'm looking up God. They'll say cow is our God. Why don't you start taking care of the cows? You're not taking care of any of the cows, but cow is your God. They're eating garbage and shit. Why not taking care of them? Money, Baba, money. If you have money, you have friends. If you have money, you have honey. If you have money, you have everything. And no matter what anybody says, when you're sick in the hospital, you need money. Education, you need money. For having a marriage, you need money. For pregnancy, you need. For even buying a fucking condom, you need money. To keep that pussy happy, you need money. To get respect in society, you need money. Our whole lives are based on money. But we give ourselves a bullshit. Money is not everything. God is everything. Love is everything. Stop working, no? Go serve the poor. Do God's work. Even Sadhguru charges money. Sadhguru also, the helicopter costs money. The trip to USA didn't, Maharaj, Lord Ganesha or Bhagwan or Brahma didn't come and lift him and put him to USA. No, he paid ticket money. 5-star hotel is his ticket money. Going to Willis Smith House, Mike Tyson, all that. Money. Playing golf. Golf is a very cheap sport, huh? The business of money. When you mix God, religion, emotions, all that. End of the day, it's just money, man. Even the temple priest or the imam, let's build more mosques. If you build, like Zakir says, if you build a house for Allah, Allah will provide you Jannah, heaven, a seat in heaven. So please donate the funds to build a mosque for Allah. Allah can do everything except arrange funds. But He will give you what money cannot buy. Jannah, seat, 72 fresh putangs, fresh, untouched. The girls can, the girls can get some cocks and sausages to suck. At 72 per male. It's a good deal, man. Anyway. Chalo bhai. See, Indians. Chalo bhai. Hope this added some value to you guys. Let me know. I don't know where the fuck the money goes, man. Seriously, I don't know where the fuck the money goes. Sometimes I wish I could be billionaire, trillionaire, and then give you advice about God. Become like a sadhu, wear an orange home, contribute to the poor, help. donate. I'll give you the secrets to life, success. Subscribe to my course, $97 to teach you 7-figure income. Like my Malayali friends say, Evada ende vende, Evada ende banda banda, bundu bundu. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please donate to my channel. Please, you're watching my YouTube video. Please donate something. $1. If 1 million people give me $1, my problem will be solved. See, PayPal details are down. Donate. Fuck, money. Seriously, huh? Donate. Right? To take care of myself also. Chalo, yalla. You guys take care. See you.